Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm here to help you make the dream of owning your own home a reality. Did you know you may be able to own one of these beautiful townhomes with your own backyard for just about what you pay for rent? Let me show you around. The open concept is perfect for entertaining family and friends, and you won't miss anything while you're cooking in the kitchen. All of these kitchen appliances and upstairs washer and dryer are included too. All you have to do is move in. You'll love your owner's bedroom with walk-in closet and your own private bathroom upstairs. Plus, you'll have 2 extra bedrooms and a hall bath, perfect for kids or overnight guests. On the lower level, there's a garage and an unfinished basement for storage, or you can finish it later for a place for kids to hang out. Outside, you get the best of both worlds, with the backyard big enough to host family barbecues, but guess what? You don't have to cut the grass. Lawn care is included, and the community has lots of open space and a playground for kids to run around. Located less than 3 miles from Route 42, Route 322, and the Atlantic City Expressway, your commute to Philadelphia and the Atlantic City areas will be a breeze. Are you unsure about what you can afford or if you have enough for a down payment? Let us help you learn everything you need to know about financing and buying a home. You probably need less money than you thought, and we can even help with credit counseling. Buying a home can be a little nerve-wracking. At Ryan Homes, we help you through every step of the home buying process to make it as stress-free and smooth as possible. So are you ready to say goodbye to your landlord and hello to a home of your own? Join the priority list for exclusive pricing, incentives, and the first opportunity to purchase a home here. You'll be amazed at how simple and affordable it can be. We can't wait to meet you.